Listen, there are two things. First, the President spoke a few minutes ago to say that there were ongoing discussions, which is a good thing. And so if the United States of America can achieve a ceasefire, it is a very good thing and France will support it and we wish for it. Then, I say, it is absolutely essential that all strikes from both sides against energy, administrative, and cultural infrastructures, and even more so against the civilian population, cease. Nothing justifies this, and they are absolutely intolerable. And then, as soon as the ceasefire is achieved, and I think the announcements made by President Trump are very positive and the role that the United States of America will have to play is key. The French alongside them, the British and the Germans are available to resume serious discussions that we have never stopped.